There's only one bad bitch on this earth, and Pooh, that's me.
I don't know who the fuck Dollar Tree think I am, but who gave y'all permission to copy me?
No, ma'am. No. We do not do extensions at extension 1. Excuse me. I just need to ask you one question. Why the fuck are you always in my business? All right, y'all, so I just got a free car wash. And I gotta make a decision if I'm going to, thank you, if I am going to utilize this car wash or keep my Riches car wash.
Roll your Riches
and
windows
let me
up.
roll up my windows. Almost forgot to come here after I finished eating. I almost forgot. So glad I did, y'all. Anything that's free, I'm juiced about it. They are literally doing all of this for free. Absolutely F-R-E-E, car wash free. That means I ain't gotta pay for no car wash fee. Now we got the thumbs up and we are paying attention to this guy. Okay. You can give it to me now. What's up? Oh, y'all, we going through the free. For the free, got some nice looking young men working, and it is absolutely free up in this cheap thing. I can't believe. Oh, the lights! I see the lights. Y'all, $30 free car wash though, bruh. This is crazy. I almost let the window down when I was trying to make sure it was up. I almost let the window down, y'all. Y'all, do y'all see this free car wash though? Do y'all see this? Am I the only one that gets this excited for free stuff? Baby, look up there. Diamond in the back, sunroof top. Oh, it's a panoramic. I'm tripping. Diamond in the back, panoramic top. Digging in the scene with the gangster lane. Ooh. Pink lights. Pink Friday 2 on the way with the pink lights. Pink Friday 2. Where are you? Pink Friday 2. Okay, y'all. We going out. We gotta be looking for a green light. Woo! It's coming to get me. Or I didn't get it stuck. Hey y'all, the blue and white is my mother's favorite color. So this is like a 10 out of 10. The car wash is blue. I think I'm gonna switch car washes. I think I'm gonna switch. Car washes. All right, y'all, so we just finished getting that free $30 car wash. Oh my goodness, I'm so juiced, I'm so excited. Because most people, when they give away the promotional car wash, they don't give away the big whopper, the $30. So that was a plus for today. Thursday has been good to me. Thank y'all for going to get my car wash with me. I'll see y'all later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Because why wouldn't you?
7 minutes. Can you turn it up so I can hear it?
One thing about it, two things for sure. I just look good, period. I don't know how to explain it to you. You know, it's not on me, it's in me. I was born this way. Yes, I was born this way. You know, you can't buy this. You know, this ain't on the shelves at Walmart. You know, this ain't behind the counter at the deli at your local grocery store. You know, this is that homegrown. You know, this is that natural. You know, it ain't even, you know, this ain't rehearsed. None of that. This is just me, Pooh. What you see is what you get. That's just it. I don't know how else to put it to you. I just look good.
Things just aren't the same anymore. Like, I do not have my McDonald's buddy here to eat with me. Everybody knows about the 7 million meal, okay? He normally gets a sausage biscuit with egg. I got the sausage McMuffin with egg. He normally gets the hash brown. I got the hash brown. He normally gets a smoothie, as he calls it, and I got a Sprite. So, moral of the story is I'm eating alone. Well, not alone, because I do have my other daughter here. 7, this is for you. McDonald's, please make my baby 7 million meal. Have to put jelly on. It's a must. Strawberry. First you take a bite. Another bite.